Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now today we're going to be looking at the Reebok men's briefs. Now these are meant to be a really good sports brief that they've redone. So we're going to take a look at them. This is a nice little pack of 3 that we got right here. So it's made with a brushed nylon waistband with authentic Reebok logos, but it is a cotton brief this time around. So no microfiber, this is just the cotton one. It's supposed to be supreme, it's supposed to be really good. So I thought I'd try it out for you guys so you know my thoughts on these. So you get 3 different colors. Obviously they want to give you a fun black with 3 different colored bands, which I do appreciate. I love that they give us a different little selection, although 2 of them are very similar, not gonna lie. So this is the first one. This is the red Reebok logo with blue ticks in it. So it looks like this. This is the first one we have here. It has a very tight band, like it tight in, not as in constrictive on your waist, but it is very sturdy and it really hugs you nicely. So if you want something that is supportive when you're doing your workouts or having an active lifestyle or your everyday life, this is quite good for that. I do like the nylon-y type band that is brushed. It does feel very soft. There's no coarseness on the top, which is amazing. You know, that's always a good thing in my books, to have a brief that is sporty, that also has a really nice band that doesn't impact you at all. The next one we have is basically the blue logo with the red little tick stripes on there. So that is this one. They're all black as well. So the only difference in them is the color of the logo and the little Reebok signs. So yeah, that is this one here. It comes in a very nice soft cotton. I feel like this will get softer the more you wash it. It is somewhat sheer as well, so this will provide a really good ventilation coming through, keeping you breathable. So when you're getting like really sweaty and out and warm in the gym, this will keep you breathable, so you will not be a damp mess in your underwear, which we don't want at all. Another great feature about this is they also do not have any labels. Everything's printed, which is great. You won't have those annoying labels that could potentially damage the whole underwear itself or just itch you as well afterwards where the seams were. So that's always a good plus. The only thing I feel like that could be worked on to be a little bit better is the seams here on the edges of the brief itself. Although it does fit tight on and everything feels really fitted and supported, the seams themselves I think could use a little work on them to be a little bit more softer and not as tight. I feel like they've been tightly knitted together or sewn together, so I feel like they could have relaxed it just a little bit more because it looks like it's bunching up a little bit on the seams. This is the final one here, which is a blue and white, which I kind of like this one. It's very subtle, it's very nice. The overall seams on the front give a really good support. It also has a double molded pouch on the front as well, and then the back gives just a really great flattering appearance to your butt. So if you want something that flatters as well as practical wise for the gym and some, you know, good sports, this has got you covered for all of those bases. It definitely fits on really well. These are very true to size as well, so whatever size you do get will be the right size. So I do have to say, but that is that one there. I really think overall Reebok has stepped up their game a bit and making some really great sports underwear. Like I did try the microfiber ones, which were amazing back in the day whenever I uploaded that. I feel like that's been like 20 years ago. But now that they have the cotton ones, I feel like the cotton ones are quite good and they are very comfortable as well as breathable. They're ticking all the boxes. You got support, you got breathability, you got all nice seams on there, everything's supported, everything looks good as well, so you're getting looking good, feeling great, and performing better. What more could you want from a sports underwear? So that is it for these. This is the 3-pack men's cotton elastane brief. If you want to go check them out, I highly suggest so. And this is all the colors that you get. So that's it for me, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little mini sports Reebok underwear review. Let me know what you think about these. Is this something you would go for, or have you tried them before, the cotton ones, and what did you think of them compared to the microfiber ones, which I tried a long time ago? If you haven't seen it, I'll have it at the end of this video. Like I said, as always guys, make sure to smash that like button to help grow the channel more. It really does help just to get the algorithm boost. And also when you hit that subscribe button, don't forget to press the notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload or I give any fun news or updates or any giveaways of the sort. All of that stuff will come through, so make sure to hit that subscribe and notification bell so you're notified. That's it guys, I hope you have an awesome day wherever you may be. Until next time, bye bye. So the video you're just watching has just ended, but don't worry, you can go watch one of my old videos right here, or you can go and subscribe right here and be notified when my next video comes out so you don't have to miss any of the action. So thank you and goodbye.